In this video, I want to go over three families of Poncelet triangles that preserve the location of their orthocenters, x4. So this is the first one, which is ellipse inscribed and circle circumscribed. So there's a specific position for center of this circular caustic that will place the orthocenter, will make the orthocenter become stationary. And in fact, when you do that, the orthocenter will fall quite interestingly on a focus of the outer ellipse, as you see here. Another family that does that is a MacBeath family. The MacBeath family is circle inscribed, and its caustic is an ellipse with foci at x3, the stationary center of the outer circle, and its isotomic or isogonal image x4, right? So I could show x3 here, and its isogonal image x4, the other focus of the inconic, and this is always the case for triangle inconics. The foci are isogonal images of each other. Now you can see here that x1 is not stationary in this case, whereas the barycenter is stationary in such a family. So it also keeps its orthocenter stationary. The last example for which we get such an effect is the dual family. Now let's investigate the dual family here with less information on the screen. So you can see here that the dual family is ellipse inscribed, and its caustic is the so-called dual image of the outer ellipse, or vice versa. Now in such a case, x4 is in the center of the system and is stationary. Now we think that there's only these three possibilities. It's a conjecture. You have only three cases of Poncelet families for which x4 is stationary. So let's go over them again. You got the dual, you got the MacBeath. You can see here the x1 is moving along this shape here, which is not an ellipse. And then finally you have that ellipse inscribed, circle circumscribed family for which x4 is a focus of the outer ellipse. So there's only these three cases. You could technically say there's a fourth case where this x1 is placed on a symmetric position and then x4 jumps to the other focus. And we think that the answer to the question of how many Poncelet triangle families are there for which their x4 is stationary is a discrete set, and we think that this discrete set has 4 elements if you count the symmetric image of this one here about the center. All right, that's all I have. See you on the next video.